Have a look at this beautiful lotus elise. Isn't that beautiful? It's my baby. Okay, so a few years ago, guys, I bought some cocos palms from our Aldi, and they weren't very expensive. Excuse me for a second while I open this gate because it's going to make a bit of noise. Sorry about that. Okay, so have a look at these palm trees. When I first planted them, they were probably a metre high, so maybe up to that ring to the top of the palm, and I just assumed that you don't water them. I don't know why I assumed that. Look at that. Now they're massive. I just saw some kids trespassing on these new units that they're building. Anyway, so this is my Canary Island date palm. And as you can see, it's looking quite healthy now at the moment. But a few weeks ago, it wasn't looking that good. So I started watering, and I'm talking 2 watering cans full of water every day. Now, if you have a look, see that frond just there, right in the middle of the frame? That was closed 3 weeks ago. And that one there, right in the middle of the frame there, that was also closed. Like those ones down there. See how they're closed? So those 2 have opened up in the last few weeks because I've been watering. And I know of people who have these on their property, and in 6 years they've just gone massive. It all depends on a combination of how good your soil is. So as you can see, I've got lots of organic mulch, and I've got some horse manure, and I feed them with fish emollient, or whatever you call it. You know, that I forget what you call it. It's made from seaweed and fish, I think, or something like that. You put 10 ml in a watering can. So I've done that twice. Now it's looking quite healthy, and it seems to be really coming back to life. So I'm going to keep that up, and we shall see what we shall see, if it's going to take off, because it has a bit of competition from this bottle brush. I don't know the technical name for it, but it's a bottle brush. It has red bottle brushes on it. And I've got that gum tree over there, which is growing very slowly as well, but I don't want that to grow too... I want it to grow big, but not too big, because it is actually a fair distance from the house, but I don't want it to grow massive. I want it to grow big, but because this is a fairly sparse area of the garden, and I wanted something here because it looked pretty empty. So anyway, that's what I did to bring it back to life. Lots of watering every day. 2 watering cans a day. That's a ruby saltbush that I mow over, and it grows back. Oh, I don't always mow over it. It depends on if... sometimes during winter it'll just get choked to death by weeds, so I mow over it. But isn't that looking healthy now? I'm loving it. Okay guys, hope that helps you with your palm questions. And this is a these are flowers growing. You get these every now and then, but this plant never seems to grow much, this yucca. Doesn't ever seem to grow much. I don't know why. Okay, catch you later guys, bye.